Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've landed at the right destination. This is Property Cloud. That is your favorite PropTech service. Now, what exactly is a PropTech service? I'll tell you. This is the place where you can do virtual site visits and then you can decide which are the properties wherein you want to go and do a physical site visit. Because here I will be giving you all the details of the project, including the land parcel, number of towers, configurations, and also I will show you the sample flat if it is ready. We connect you directly to the developer so that there is no brokerage, and also this makes sure that you get the best price in market. But where am I right now? Well, stay tuned with me. I'm going to tell you where I am right now and I'm going to tell you all the details of the project. Let's go. Here I am at Joyville by Shapoorji Pallonji. We of course know the legacy of Shapoorji Pallonji, but what is the legacy of Joyville? Well, the first part that I really love is the connectivity. This is located at Hinjewadi Man Road and is very close to Hinjewadi Phase 1. लेकिन फिर भी यहाँ से हिंजेवाड़ी फेज 2 की भी और 3 की भी कनेक्टिविटी काफी अमेजिंग है. उसी के साथ साथ यहाँ से बॉम्बे बैंगलोर हाईवे जो है दैट इज हार्डली 10 to 15 मिनट्स एंड इवन बालेवाड़ी स्टेडियम इज ओनली 10 to 15 मिनट्स. हॉस्पिटल्स, कॉलेजेस, मॉल्स, मल्टीप्लेक्सेस सब कुछ तो यहाँ पर है ही, लेकिन उसी के साथ साथ जो प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर की अमेनिटीज है दे आर जस्ट अमेजिंग एंड माइंड ब्लोइंग. So the whole project is going to be constructed in a total land parcel of approximately 10 acres and there are going to be total 9 towers which will have variants of 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs and also Jodi apartments, that is simplexes. हर एक फ्लोर के ऊपर there are going to be 6 flats and along with that there are so many other things that I need to tell you about the project. One of them very important is that the possession is expected by March 25 to March 26. That is 2025 to 2026 मार्च के बीच में आपको मिलेगा यहाँ पर possession. अब आप ये जानना चाहते हैं कौन से फ्लैट का possession? रुकिए जरा, मैं आपको चलकर अभी दिखाती हूँ. सैंपल फ्लैट अंदर से चलें. And this is the beautiful apartment from inside. At the entrance you get this beautiful area for your shoe rack storage units or something like this that you can make, wherein you can have the guests sitting before they enter the living and the dining space. Now this is your spacious living and dining area, wherein this is a rectangular area, not the regular L-shaped one, because those ones actually at times take up some extra space. And along with that there is a very beautiful balcony. When I'm warning you it's a beautiful balcony, it's really big, so come take a look at it. Now this is an anti-skid wooden flooring, ceramic tiles, and the balcony is covered from 3 sides with a very big space for your garden. The kitchen comes with this L-shaped granite slab over here that ends at your vegetable sink, and then there is your dry balcony which opens with the sliding doors right over here. And this balcony also comes with anti-skid tiles and is covered from 3 sides, and it comes with this really big window panel, as I'm going to call it, because it's not actually open but pretty ventilated and pretty well lit. Now the usual homes that you will see, the foyer area or the entrance towards the bedroom or the common areas is in a single aisle and in a clamped up area. यहाँ पे it's not like this, it is pretty spacious. Come over here closer so that I can show it to you. This over here is your common area. It comes with an additional loft on the top also, and along with that there is a wash basin right over here, and next to it is the common toilet and bath. The kids' bedroom over here comes with this really cute small little window which also has this grill over here. So there is a toughened glass down there which is a fixed one, but उसके ऊपर जानबूझ के ये grill दिया हुआ है because of safety reasons. Along with that there is a pre-fitted mosquito net in the sliding window over here, and then the window opens right into the nature over here, letting in ample ventilation and the perfect lighting as well. Now let's proceed towards the rest of the house. That is the guest bedroom and the master bedroom. Now the guest and the master bedroom are actually identical, and this one is the guest bedroom, and this comes with a comparatively pretty bigger window over here and the same kind of a grill for safety and security, and a sliding window with a mosquito net. This room also comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here. And now let's proceed towards the master bedroom. And this is the master bedroom that comes with a pretty big window over here again, and this grill for your safety has been provided, the standing balcony feel that never ceases to amaze me, along with this pre-fitted mosquito net over here. Now, one more reason of the great ventilation in this room is that there is another window right over here that has cross ventilation, and even that window comes with a grill for safety. And this is the attached toilet and wash, which comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. And now you have to stay tuned with me, because very soon I'm going to tell you how can you come to this project and book your dream home right over here at Joyville. Stay with me. And now that I've told you all the details of the project, I'm sure you want to know how will the booking process go ahead. Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is, in the captions, we've mentioned a link. You need to click on that link, and then our sales manager will get in touch with you and then help you shortlist the projects that you have liked, depending on your preferences of area, configurations and multiple other things. Once you have shortlisted the couple of projects, then you and the sales manager will travel together with the free cab service that we're providing you, and then finalize your dream home. Well, as I told you earlier, that this is going to come in with a lot of multiple benefits, like no brokerage, like the best offers in town, and also booking offers. Now, for all of this, you need to register yourself with us, and that is in the captions. Along with that, you also need to subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated about all the projects, not just in Pune, but also pan-India. Well, not just pan-India, we are also present across the globe in multiple countries like UAE, Canada, Singapore, USA, and many more. So, if you want to purchase a house, not just in Pune, but globally anywhere, you are at Property Cloud, and we are going to help you buy your dream home with the best of deals in the market, hassle-free and brokerage-free. Stay tuned to us. Thank you.